Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about year-end moves to slash your 2024 tax bill. Let's get into the video. Before the year ends, as the year draws to a close, it's time to focus on strategies that can help reduce your 2024 tax liability. As the year draws to a close, it is time to focus on strategies that can help reduce your 24 tax liability. If you are subject to a required minimum distribution from an IRA or retirement plan, be sure to take it before year end to avoid penalties. Maximize contributions to your retirement account, like an IRA or 401k. This not only boosts your retirement saving but also reduces tax taxable income. Engage in tax loss harvesting by selling underperforming stocks to offset taxable gains. Review your paycheck withholdings and estimated tax payments to ensure you will not be hit with underpayment of tax penalties. If you itemize your deductions, you might consider paying any outstanding medical bills to the extent your medical expenses exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. Pre-paying the second installment of your property taxes that would otherwise be due next year. But make sure your tax payments, including state and local income taxes, do not exceed the 10,000 annual deduction limit. If you marginally itemize each year, consider bunching deductions in one year and taking the standard deduction in the alternating year. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.